let's say when your enemy then get shot or something, you like, you know, if you like it, is that thing you like you're happy or you just not care?
Me glad. Same like what I'm glad 50 thing to reach me.
You see what can't mash up
Today we come to talk about Dante Brooks, who got released from prison. We also come to talk about Ivan the Lips, Jaja. She need a kick, no pun intended. We also come to talk about Blamdem. It's a problem. The man go hard at squash, and also some of the TikTokers. So we have all of this coming up in the people. Zane, like, share, and subscribe. Because here one man, while I put in the work, you know. Bless up. So here one, first thing we're gonna dive into. Zane is Mavado son whole release and just celebration and thing, and then we'll come back and talk about it, and you know how the thing go. Zane, Jam Vice Media will be back.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. The Court of Appeal has freed Mavado's son, Dante Brooks, and his co-accused for the 2018 murder of Lorenzo Thomas in Cassava Peace, St. Andrew, citing serious flaws in how the trial judge handled the identification evidence. Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, David Fraser, and Kisak Leng ruled that the trial judge failed to properly warn himself about the risk of relying on sole eyewitness testimony. Justice Marva McDonald Bishop said that these mistakes deprive Dante of legal protections designed to prevent wrongful convictions based on unreliable identification. The appellate judges also commended the prosecution for acknowledging the error and deciding against seeking a retrial. This ruling comes from the same Court of Appeal judges who recently freed Vybz Kartel, overturning his murder conviction without ordering a retrial. Now, Mavado's son Dante Brooks was 18 at the time of his conviction and had been sentenced to life imprisonment with eligibility for parole after 22 years, along with additional sentences of 15 years for arson and 20 years for illegal possession of a firearm. His co-accused Hines received a similar life sentence with parole eligibility after 17 years and 15-year sentence for arson and firearm possession. The prosecution alleged that Dante Brooks and his co-accused Hines were part of a group of 5 men who stormed Thomas' home, shot him, attempted to beheaded him, and then set both his body and the house on fire. The case was built on the testimony of Thomas' father, who claimed he recognized his son's killers. However, the appellate court found that the trial judge's mishandling of this crucial evidence warranted overturning the conviction.
Yes, people, when you see what I go on, when you hear what I go on, Dante Brooks, Mavado's son, was released from prison on a silly celebration. And according to sources, is about evidence, witnesses. It's just Jamaican justice system is just flawed. It just needs so much work, man. Like, why? The justice system still at work, you know, because remember him get a life sentence and he was released a couple years after. So it at work in some kind of way, but Jaja, big up Mavado's son still, and Mavado is it. So you know how the thing go. But we also come for talk about of Ivan, you know. Ivan, you know, I'm not a fan of. But yo, Ivan they jump on TikTok. Where there with some new lips. Lip big like Bob Marley funeral people. And me for tell you no. Zane, so I have that come up and just people make fun of her and things. So the people them who are TikTok, they on TikTok and I give Ivan no money. God go with them. Me not go with them still. Zane, make you take a look on what I go on with these lips.
Oh, let me add him back. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. You send back the request, okay? Send back the request, World Dog. Tell him to send it back. Guys, come on. I'm going to rank over favorited. Where's Wesley there? Go add that man over here. Hope you not come say one for a second. I run him. What go on? Yeah, play. Guys, come over favorited. What? Me I play? Morning.
What's wrong with your mouth? Morning.
Nothing happened to my mouth.
Why are you not showing it?
Because it's my mouth and I don't want to show it.
There's something wrong with it.
No.
Is your... Oh, you got your lip done. That's the Kylie Jenner.
And then it turned out like this. I don't know.
That's horrible. They so big like mine, but mine is normal.
I tell you this. I had natural big lips. I just put a little and then it just went like this.
Yeah, you're not supposed to do. If you got natural big lips, you're supposed to keep them. Them shits is... your lips now, it looks really, really bad.
Oh, hell nah. You having 3.4K people on TikTok laughing at me. Ah, hell nah. You see them?
Yeah, I see her. Like, let them know. Like, her lips is like Kylie Jenner. Like, you did that stupid ass challenge that sucked them motherfuckers out. Now, I got some big ass lips. Don't get me wrong. My lips are huge. My nose. But to go get some extra shit shot in them and you can't even talk. Look, your lip is hanging down, sweetheart. You might have to go to the ER.
I could talk.
You might have to go to the hospital.
You stop the knife. I did these before and they were like this and then after 3 days they went down.
So you got a couple dudes who like lips like that. I ain't gonna lie to you. You got a couple dudes with them lips right there.
You're
like
losing.
You like Jesus.
People, on a see what I go on, on a hear what I go on. As according to TikTok, Ivan I get too much free money. People I tell other people on TikTok, listen, on stop give them people here on money. Them people here not deserve on money. Pure foolishness them do online. But anyways though, each his own, you know. So if you like somebody you want to support them, I really have a problem with that. Zane, so I hope she get her lips them together because them no look good at all. Them no look good. That medical procedure that she get done went wrong. Zane, so people, wanna tell me what you think in the comment section. No joke. Yo, the last thing we'll look at is Blamdem. It's a problem. The man do a show with Jeffrey, Zane, a podcast, talk show, whatsoever, Zane, and may I tell you, Blamdem go hard on squash and the youth, him kind of funny still, I'm not gonna lie, find him funny, but we're gonna take a look at some of them interview and come back at the end, you know.
First and foremost, what you and squash have?
Bro, me and them boy they not knock dog. Them boy they are waste man dog. Don't ask me what them boy they are waste man bad man. Squash a waste man bad man. This is squash they are a high of him right now, you know. 3 murder charge a wait pan him down at Jamaica, you know. So when he go down there, a jail him a go, you know. Squash him, me and squash him now nothing, bro. Squash him I want some batty boy dog. Me no rate squash, me can't never rate squash. Me and them boy they used to party, you know, my friend. Me in a 9-night video, you know. Me and them boy they used to party, them boy they are used to my friend. Me see what them boy they do youths them dog. Me can't never rate them boy the dog. Me I look at you, bad man, me a 13-year-old. A man I look for me and tell me say me have to pick side. I mean I look at you, bro. But yo, you have to go pick a side. Where. I mean I look at you, me involved in a number war already man have a go on. And a man I look for me and tell me say me have to pick side. So me come from the next side. And me and my mother yaso, and me and my father yaso. And a man I look for me and tell me say me can't go look for my mother. So what you don't feel if a man tell you, I look at you. Them boy they a trauma, them boy they put to youth them in a ghetto. Them boy they bring war upon you and run left you. Run left you make you dead and not even support you. Whole heap of youth them boy they do so. Squash for good on dog. And me tell the people, you know, if we don't get rid of squash, it not go done. And squash are the main problem. Them boy they artists, them boy they can influence whole heap of youth to come dead. The dog man, them man left from where Jamaica come America come cause crosses. Can it be a problem? Police are look for them and they lock them up. Be a destruction. Bro, you're an artist. You're trying to pay security for watch off your head, bro. You walk with gun. You're a waste man, bad man. Don't talk to me, bro. Then the people are low life, dog. And then can't do me nothing. Me they have Miami right now. Tell the people me there.
Me no hear that.
Miami there right now. Me they have Miami right now. Put it on the camera. And then boy they can't diss me not there. Me a millionaire. I mean, I have money. I think I pops and this have a TikTok shop watch. Hey boy, dog, I want to tell you bad man. I want bad man, yo, tap about the batty boy, dog.
Alright, but you say me I say, where Pops catch a stray there for? What Pops do for catch a stray there?
Bro, Pops are all I watch him have a TikTok shop, bro. Pops are capper, dog. I swear to God. Me know about two of them are youth and we know what they're on the dog them. A TikTok shop them boy they buy watch off of dog.
Alright, so when Pops are show like script like cash up with 300,000 US.
Bro, they can't build one of them. You want me build one for you? Me dog them, first day Pops show that me dog them call me and say, yo, me can't build one of that in the dog. Me not cap, bro, a real money them, I put it on the camera, bro. A real money them, bro, me not cap dog, me not have no time for cap dog, me put my money them in a light, then she say a real money. Feel ya? Feel ya? A real money them, me not cap bad man, I watch them real. Where diamond, you know a diamond tester? No. Me think them real, bro, I wish the rest I watch them on my yard. I want to take me a make mark to this dog. Me not cap, bro, no, me not cap, bro. I want to bad man, I know Pops tell me I will cap.
Yo, so alright, so alright, any million get shot, or something you like, you know, if you like it, is that like you're happy or you're just not
me glad. Same like what I'm glad if you think to reach me.
People, the dog funny, me not gonna lie. Blamdem, it's a problem. People, excuse me.